How to fix Facebook Messenger not sending messages. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps that you have. Go to the messenger right here, click on force stop and then click on storage. Click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back again and now click on permissions. Right here on this page, you need to make sure that all those permissions are enabled, and then go back again and click on the power usage details. Click on app launch and now make sure that to enable the manage automatically option, click OK and then click on open by default and click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow, exactly like this. Restart your phone and congratulations. Don't forget to like and subscribe.